Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can edit Google Sheets in view only mode. Okay, here I have my view only mode document, so I cannot edit this document. I got this document from my friend, but don't worry guys, because we can still edit this document by copying this document in our Google Drive. So the first thing we're going to do is clicking on this three dots button. Then we're going to click on share and export. And since we want to copy this document, we can click on make a copy. And you can make a copy of this document in your Google Drive. And before you save or copy this document in Google Drive, you can edit the document title right here. And after that, you just need to click on OK. And just wait for a moment until this Google Sheets file has been copied to your Google Drive. Okay, and now the file is has been copied, and now as you can see that I can edit this Google Sheets file. And I guess that's how we can edit Google Sheets in view only mode. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.